Because He made us, we owe Him everything He wants from us. We owe it to Him because we're so helpless, we're going to return to Him. So helpless. You know, the wealthiest of all has to return to Allah, has died and will die. The most handsome, the most amazing, the most intelligent, they're gone. Or they're going to go, subhanallah. Have you thought of how weak man is? You're going to live here on average 60 to 70 years, not more. The average has never been more than 60, 70 years globally. So you've come onto this earth. Really, do you really think that, a man as sophisticated as he is would just come onto this earth for a few years and then disappear into thin air, leaving behind loved ones, leaving behind every belonging of yours, whatever you enjoyed, everything that was there, and you saw yourself grow from weakness to strength, and then from strength back to weakness. You saw it happen. Do you really think that that's it? That, I was here for nothing, just to enjoy, and that's it, do what you like? No, my brothers and sisters, we're believers. Someone made us, and guess what? We're going to return to the same someone. Subhanallah.